Here we go, guys. 2015 Subaru WRX STI. I got a 2015 too, but it's not an STI, it's just a WRX. So I'm jealous. I might go for a spin with you to see the difference. Look at this beast. So he installed this himself. It's a NETAMI catless downpipes, as you guys can see. Really nice stainless steel setup. And then he's got, do you have a cat on it here?
Yeah, it's got a race cat.
So it's got a racing cat under this heat padding right there. And then 3-inch continues. And then we started over here and ran 3-inch pipe all the way back, as you guys can see. He brought us this 3-inch in, 3-inch out exhaust muffler made in China. Amazon special. I don't know what brand it is. FBA, I don't know, some Chinese special. But here's the part number. But anyways, it looks like basically like a Flowmaster or MagnaFlow knockoff. Straight through. Then 3-inch pipe continues. He brought his own white pipe too. A little baby piece white pipe off Etsy that he paid. How much did you pay? $100? $100 for it? So we said, might as well use it. We usually custom make them in-house, but he wanted to use this one. So we're like, we got you. We'll make it. Then 3-inch pipe continues on each side. And then we finished it off with 2 Flowmaster Flow FX. One here and one right there. Part number 71419. And then finished it also stainless steel tips, 4-inch double walled angle tips by NETAMI. There'll be a link in the description for them also. But there it is, Subaru WRX STI. And there's all the old system that we took off, the factory stuff. He don't want any of it, so we took it all off. So stay tuned, guys. I know he's excited. We're excited. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. I wish it wasn't raining outside, but it is, so the noise, the background noise will be a little bit loud, but it's okay. Stay tuned. Let's hear what she sounds like, guys. Ready? It's not bad. It's clean. Here's sound decibels at idle. Go ahead. Redline it. Here's sound decibels. Rev it again. Right at 111. That's not bad at all. Yeah, that's it. That's good. Just rev it normal now. Rev it normal. So rev. Was it?
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
Now it actually
that 3-inch to that 2.5-inch.
Yeah, it just killed everything. It sounds really good. There we go. You can tell he's ready to drive this thing. STI. Sucker's quick, even in the rain. Look at this rain, guys. It hasn't stopped since yesterday night. We haven't had rain in 2 months. You can see the grass is dry. Oh wow, what is that? Look at it, it's turkeys. Check it out. There's turkeys up there. That's cool. How'd they get up there from here? There's a bunch of them. In the rain. Which is even cooler.